So, in case you are wondering where I am going right now, so I am going to Ratnagiri, Lanza, to my friend's wedding. So, I didn't get the train ticket or bus ticket. So, the option is right now is we have started our journey to Ratnagiri. I have left Uran behind, and right now I am entering into the Khopta. So from here we will continue to Koproli, and then we'll take a right, and then from Dadar, it's a small village Dadar. Then we will go to Amrapur, and then we take a exit to a National Highway 66 Mumbai Goa road, and then we will continue towards the Pen. So guys, we are moving toward Dadar, and you can see this beautiful surrounding, and the temperature will be hot today. I will be traveling in because it's 10:30 and I have to complete my whole journey in this hot climate. So today is Maharashtra Day, 1st of May, and we are going ahead on the journey, and this is the first bridge, which is my favorite bridge where I live. I come here usually to hang out in the evening. So I will be crossing Dadar, and I will directly meet you in Pen. I want to tell you something, that the things we want in life really does not comes to us, but the things we don't like, they come. I'm speaking the truth or no? Right now we are entered the village where the Ganpati idols are prepared and exported all around India. This is the highway, and we will be taking it to reach Pen. We will not stay in Pen, we will go ahead. We will be taking the NH66 route, and officially our ride begins from here, because this is the main road, and in the history of my riding, this will be the first time I will be entering Ratnagiri, because in the last few years of my riding experience I have explored on my bike Pune. Mostly I went to Pune, and I'm feeling the vibe that the road must be like this only. So I went to Pune, I went in Raigad, I went in Satara, most explored location. So this will be the first time I will be entering the soils of Ratnagiri. So Pen is Rahul's village. So this journey is the first official journey to Konkan, because in the last previous times I went to Mahabaleshwar from this route. I think way back in 2021 maybe. So the route was very beautiful. We went in the night time. At that time Niket was with me, and we had our beautiful journey to Mahabaleshwar. And after that I have done a solo ride on this route. It was disgusting ride. The road after Pen was super filthy, and now you can see this kind of beautiful development. Will attract more tourists and more people from around India, and also people from around the world. I think this is the Pen, I think. I am sorry. So this is the Pain city on my left. I thought I missed it. So I have also came here in Pain with Rahul. I think I think 1 year back we have came for one day staycation at his house, and we also went to Nagaon beach. So the vibe is good on this road. I feel the road must be like this till I reach my friend Rakesh house. I think there is traffic today because today is holiday, and many people from around Konkan go to the villages in the May season to eat Alfonso mangoes.
Pull from all that is eaten. Heart content on feeding more. From the
We have crossed Indapur and we are moving towards ahead towards the Mangaon, and I think Mangaon is still pretty much ahead from here, and after Mangaon we will reach to Mahad, and then Mahad, after crossing Mahad we will cross Polatpur, and I think we will be taking the Kashedi Ghat, but I wanted to take the Kashedi Ghat, but I don't have that much time to explore, so I have put that part when I come to my home, so that part will be shoot in the return journey. So as you can see, the temperature is warming up, and if I stand by or I get stuck in the traffic, it feels really warm, but as long as the bike is moving, it's cool. Air is cool, but the temperature is warm. Air is cool. I think we have not crossed Indapur also. What is this, man? Actually, I don't have the idea. I haven't been in Konkan ever since I got my bike, and by car or by train I haven't been here. So this is the first time, so I don't know the locations which come as we travel. So I'm still exploring. So this part of the road is beautiful, scenic, mountains on every side, and this Scorpio is moving very slowly. I think I will refuel in Mahad maybe after I get. Enjoy the ride, whoa! Super! I don't feel like I'm traveling in Konkan. It feels like Mumbai Satara road, Mumbai Bangalore road, because the roads are so smooth, and I haven't found any pothole right now, but the picture is different after monsoon. So this is the perfect time to go in Konkan because they have good roads, and after monsoon it gets pretty filthy. You can see this kind of potholes everywhere. So I think we will be passing through a pass. Let's see I call this pass as Konkan Entry Pass. I think the mountainous region will begin after Polatpur. Everywhere we will be seeing mountains in Ratnagiri, but not in here Raigad. We are almost getting to the southern side of the Raigad, which is more mountainous as the upper part. Upper part is very plain towards the Mumbai, and towards the Pune it is mountainous, which is close to Lonavala region. Wow, so much mountainous roads. I've traveled before, and again traveling.
Dreaming of more. There lies the lion in the dark, full from all that he's eaten. Heart content on feeding more from the
So guys, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Superb, superb. 10 out of 10 until now for this ride. I've except some that are very less exceptions right now while traveling in Konkan. The road is very buttery smooth. I hope it remains forever, especially in the monsoon season, because Konkan is very beautiful in the monsoon season, and most people don't travel often on bike because of the roads, which are not good like this. So let's see, if I had a chance I will visit Konkan in June. Wow, what a hefty pass. You can see this pass, this curve. When I saw on the Google Maps, it was showing that 318 kilometers in 7 hours. So according to Konkan, I think it is very less time. But after seeing this road, I believe that one can reach Lanza in 7 hours from Uran, and from Mumbai it could take a hour or two. Welcome back, guys. We are getting out of this traffic in Indapur, and it's very getting difficult. For the past 20 minutes I've been riding like this on this part of the road, so it's very and this kind of traffic we will get ahead in Mangaon. So it's already 1st May, that's why you can see this much of traffic today, and the traffic is unending right now as I'm going ahead. It's not slow bit. So I think we have bike, and so we can move ahead very easily without any problems. So guys, finally we are back on track after the huge traffic in Indapur. It's fucking hilarious traffic, but I have bike. I can get out of traffic anyhow. So we are ahead, getting to another traffic in Mangaon. So there is a big traffic in Mangaon also. So just a relief for a while. So after once we will cross the Mangaon, then we will don't have traffic till Lancha, I guess. There will be traffic, but not like this one. Too much. I think the road from here is single lane. I think this part of the road has to be developed. Man. So we have to face one more traffic, and I'm feeling thirsty, so I will stop for sugarcane juice maybe, and also I will take a water bottle because I'm kind of thirsty. So from one traffic we have encountered another traffic, which is this Mangaon's traffic. We have to navigate from this big path. Yeah, I think this traffic could be huge. Should I go from the right? Let's see. So, should I do this? What I'm doing? Dude, I think I should go from the right. And this is chaotic, and we are moving from the traffic like this. It's better than standing still. We are going slowly moving ahead into the Mangaon city. Single lane of bike moving from the other lane. Totally worth it, and not much traffic coming from ahead. Moderate traffic, so you can इधर से उधर से इधर. That road is much better. It's fine, but at least I'm moving from here. Fucking crazy. Superheroes of Mangaon. Taking a beat at the traffic. Chalo guys, it's too much traffic. I will not record everything because it's painful. Thank God the traffic from the other side is loose, so we can cruise. Come on. Let's pass ahead as we can, so we can move ahead of this filthy traffic. Finally we are out of that fucking Mangaon traffic. very big traffic. But fortunately I have bike. Many people are stuck between the two traffics, one at Indapur and one was at Mangaon. And around my left side is the Raigad Fort. The entrance towards the Raigad Fort just went behind, and now I am moving ahead to Mahad. So I will take a break, refreshment break. So let's trail on this road, super fast express highway. Welcome to Super 5 Express Highway, where you can trail your bike cars at 80, 90, 100. What's the top speed? Give it all. As you can see, the roads are pretty empty. And there are mountains on the side. Yo, bro! Whiskey Manga. Let's see all speed, bro. Now we'll touch 110. Oh fuck. Yeah. The speed अचानक आ गया bro. So guys, I am enjoying this ride. So far so good. So far so very good. So I think in 5 to 10 minutes I think I will reach in Mahad. Mostly 15 minutes because the road is super cute. It's the one. गेलो सदा सीधा. Everyone wants to go ahead, but I am the king of the ring. I'm very thirsty, guys, and my thirst will quench in Mahad. So far, so riding terribly, but I am good at it. Oh, guys, again 100. I think I should move a little bit slow because the traffic is here idiotic, and there is a sudden speed breaker comes in between, or a car can come. These are not mega highways where anyone can pass in between. Here is national highway and anyone can come and do whatever they can. So you have to be pretty cautious while riding. And my eyes are always on the road. I didn't get the spot to park my bike and have some sugarcane juice. So let's see ahead. In the next stop is Polatpur, which is only nearby only. So let's move ahead till Polatpur, and the route is on the left side is scenic, and I need some refreshment very early, and I'm very thirsty, guys. Which road should I take? Everyone going from this road, so I think this must be. And so fucking tiring, man. I need to drink something, or it will be troublesome for me. Come on guys, let's move ahead. Definitely need some water. Need 2 drinks of sugarcane juice. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Go, go, go. So far, so good ride. Totally heating up, guys. Too much. Too much. Too much. Too much. Bro, take a ride, man. What are you doing? So as you can see, I have completed 120 kilometers around. So I have to go around 200 kilometers ahead. The total journey is around 320 kilometers from Muran to my friend's village, which is nearby Lanja in Ratnagiri. Fucking scared. Too much heat around here. I just waited for a fuel stop. Done my tank full. And now I will be moving ahead. I think around in 3.5 hours I have completed 120 kilometers. Because of the traffic, I think I have slowed down. I think ahead should not be the same scene. Ahead should be pretty much empty, so I can pull 200 kilometers in around. I don't think in 4 hours it will be enough. I think it will take around 5 hours. So the estimated reaching time to Lanja, I think I have kept around 7. So let's continue ahead. See you ahead. Bye bye. Actually, I thought of leaving in the night. I should have left in the night because the roads are pretty good to travel. But I want to explore and shoot these beautiful parts of the road, so I've chose to come in the morning. And on the 6th, while I return, I will be also coming in the morning, but I shall be coming early in the morning. Yesterday I slept late, so I woke up late. I didn't compromise sleep this time. Every time I compromise my sleep for travel, but this time I took a good amount of sleep before traveling. If I wanted to, I would have left my house at 5 a.m. in the morning, but I didn't. So here we are reaching to Mahad. Oh, pretty windy out here. Scenic route, guys. I don't want to miss this route without shooting. You can see the curves, and the road is pretty beautiful. I think this road is much better looking as compared to Mumbai Satara road. The views are gorgeous, mountains very close. This part of the road reminds of the Katras bypass. The Katras bypass looks exactly the same. And it's much time before we reach to Kachedi tunnel. So I think I wanted to shoot this vlog in one go, but I don't think if I shoot in one go it will become a huge vlog of 1.5 hours, I think. So I shall make this vlog in 3 parts. If possible, I will upload the vlog simultaneously, but let's see if I get a chance. The problem is I should have internet connectivity so I can upload the vlogs. I will definitely try my best. Let's see. I think the network will be poor. I think the speed will also not much as I expect, but it's fine. I wanted to wait at sugarcane juice stop. Wow, guys, I haven't turned off my camera because the views are so beautiful, so pleasing. Polatpur is around 25 kilometers from here. I think this is much better than. I think if you don't go anywhere to Dubai, if you want to experience the heat, come to Ratnagiri, Habibi. You come to Ratnagiri. Panji are around 385 kilometers. I think Goa is 400 from here. Pretty much near. The distance from here to Goa is around Mumbai to Kolhapur, 400 kilometers.